Don't tamper with any life safety equipment in public buildings. Fire alarms, fire sprinklers, fire extinguishers, exit signs, emergency lights, and all of that. You just do not ever tamper with any life safety equipment in public buildings, or else you are going to get fined, you are going to get arrested, and you are going to endanger people's lives in a emergency situation. So never ever tamper with any life safety equipment in public buildings. Don't tamper with the Blue Point police system. Don't tamper with the emergency exit door. Don't tamper with the first aid kits in the building. Do not tamper with the fire sprinklers, alarms, or portable fire extinguishers. Never ever tamper with any life safety equipment in public buildings. Bye.